Welcome to Rig Video Tutorials. This is a quick video tutorial on how to email your register to a third party. Once you've logged in, select a register that you would like to share. Your register will appear in the Asset Register box below. Click on the Share icon on the right. Type a name for your register and click Save As. Your register can be sent as a single combined PDF or individual PDFs in a zip file. Type in the email address you would like to share the register with. For multiple people, use the semicolon character to separate email addresses. Then click on the Save button. A progress bar will then appear and a confirmation that the email has been sent will pop up. I hope you found this helpful, but if you are still unsure or have a problem, please contact rig@ranger.com.au.